Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. So kids, today we are going to do some question based on division, some question based on properties of division. But before moving toward the properties of division, I would like to start the today's concept with the thing that we were doing in the last class, that is verification. Okay, so today we are going to do few questions based on verification of division. Fine. So yeah, let us start. Yes, come on. Now, so suppose if I give you a question something like this: 125 divided by 8. 125 divided by 8. Now what you have to do? You have to divide the question, and then what you have to do after division, you have to verify the answer also. After the division, you have to verify the answer also. Okay. So can we start now? Can we start dividing and can we start verifying the answer? Yes, let us start. So first I am going to divide 125 divided by 8. Yeah, start. How many times we will take? First number कितनी बार? Do it. Okay. So first we will take it one time. So we will get 8. Now 12 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We will get how much? 4. And carry down 5. अब 8 के टेबल में 4, how many times we will get 8 के टेबल में 4? So 8 के टेबल में 4 we will get 45. We will get, we won't get. So what we will do? We will take it 5 times. 8 5s are 40. So 8 5s are 40. What we will get? 5. And here 0. Now, so this is what? This is our quotient. This number is our remainder. This is our divisor and this is dividend. Okay? This much तो you know. Now let us verify. ठीक है? So verification means what? Dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay, plus what? Plus remainder. Okay, now what is the divisor here? Divisor is 8. So 8 multiply with quotient. Quotient is how much? 50. And then we have to add remainder, which is 5. Now solve this equation. Yes, solve this equation. Solve करिए. Okay, now. So what? अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या? We will multiply 15 and 8. And then whatever the answer we will get, we will add 8 in that. Fine. Okay. So let us start. (15 into 8). 8 5s are 40. Carry 4. 8 1s are 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. What you will get? 120 plus 5. So you will get 125. And see, our dividend is what? 125. So that means our answer is what? Correct. And the statement got verified. Okay. Now note down this question. Then we will start the next one. Fine. Do this. Come on, do it. Completed? Okay. So moving towards with the next question. Next question I'll give you. And in this question also you have to verify the answer. Okay? Verification is important. Verification helps you to find out whether the question that you have done is correct or incorrect. Okay? So verification is good. Verification is important. Okay. Next question is 2, 4, 6, 8 divided by 7. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8 divided by 7. Solve this question. Yes. Do the solution. Solve the question. Two, 4, 6, 8 divided by 7. Solve this one. Okay. So this is the question that you have to solve. Okay. Count the sevens table. Okay. Now 7 3s are 21. When you will subtract, you will get 4 minus 1, you will get 3. Now carry down this number 6. Now 7 3s are 21 and here we have got the 36. Now 7 ke table mein 36. How many times I will take it? 5 times. Okay, now 1 and we will get here 8. Now 7 2s are 14. Okay, now verify the answer. Come on, use this formula to verify the answer. Come on, let us do. Divisor is what? 7. And multiply it with, divisor is 7 and we will multiply it with what? 352. 352. And then we will add remainder, that is 4. So 352 multiplied by 7 and then we will add 4. Come on, do the multiplication. 352 multiply with 7. Okay. 352 multiply it with 7. Multiply it with 7. What we will get? 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are 35. 35 1 6. 7 3s are 21. 4 2 4 6 4. 2 4 6 4 plus 4. what we will get? 2, 4, 6, 8, and yes, this is our dividend. So the answer is what? Answer got verified. Correct? Now do this. Come on. Completed? Okay. Okay. Now moving ahead. Now the next topic that I am going to start is properties of division. Okay. Next is what? Properties of division. Fine. Okay. Properties of division. Now the first property. First property of division says on dividing a non-zero number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. That means what? Let me write it down. On dividing any non-zero number with 1, the quotient is the number itself. The quotient is the number itself. So what does it mean? It means that whenever we will divide any given number with 1, ठीक है, जब भी हम किसी दिए हुए नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो कोशेंट हमें मिलता है दैट कोशेंट इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. जो कोशेंट हमें मिलता है वो कोशेंट क्या होता है? वो नंबर ही होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 86 divided by 1 we will get 86 only. Okay. 77 divided by 1 we will get 77. Let us prove this. How come? 77 divided by 1. Now 1 के टेबल में 7 you will get how many time? 1 के टेबल में 7 you will get 7 time. Right? Cross. 1 के टेबल में 7 again you will get 7 time. Answer is what? 77. Okay, now note it down. Note down the first property of division. Yes, note down the first property of division. Now, so whenever we will multiply any given number with 1, the answer we will get will be the quotient is the number itself. Okay. Fine. Moving toward the next property. Now the next property of division says that non-zero number by itself, the quotient is what? 1. Second is what? On dividing any non-zero the quotient is 1. ओके, दैट मीन्स अगर हम किसी नंबर को, किसी नॉन जीरो नंबर को अगर हम उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, अगर किसी नॉन जीरो नंबर को हम उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर क्या आता है? 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई डिवाइड 2 with 2, so 2 के टेबल में 2 हाउ मेनी टाइम? 1 टाइम. So answer is 1. See, answer is 1. Similarly, 15 divided by 15. Now 15 के टेबल में 15 you will get in how many time? 1 time. Yeah, 15 1 just 15. So that's why. Okay. So on dividing any non-zero number with itself, the quotient obtained is 1. Now the third property. Third property of division says division by 0 has no meaning. Third property of division says division by 0 has no meaning. है ना? डिवीजन बाय जीरो हैज नो मीनिंग. दैट मीन्स यू कैनॉट डिवाइड अ नंबर विद जीरो, मतलब ये डजंट हैव एनी मीनिंग. नाउ द फोर्थ वन. ऑन डिवाइडिंग, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? ऑन डिवाइडिंग जीरो बाय अ non-zero number, the quotient obtained is 0. Okay, so that means if you divide 0 by a non-zero number, the answer you will get will be what? The answer you will obtain will be 0. Okay, fine. So these all are the properties of division. Just jot them down. Okay, then we will start the next topic. Come on. Completed? Okay. Now the next thing that we are going to do is word problem based on division. Fine. Next question we are going to do This is a word problem based on division. So yeah, let us start. Okay, so first question, I'm going to write the question, then I will explain that to you. So the question is, $3,875 apples were packed. 3,875 apples were packed equally in 5 boxes. How many apples were packed in each boxes? How many apples were packed in each boxes? Question is, total number of apple were 3,875 and they were packed equally in 5 boxes. ठीक है, मतलब क्या किया, 3,875 एप्पल्स थे, उनको क्या किया, 5 बॉक्सेस में क्या किया, इक्वल इक्वल बांट दिया, है ना. अब क्वेश्चन इज कि एक बॉक्स में कितने एप्पल्स आए. तो जब बांटना, व्हेन वी आर सेइंग दैट बांट दिया, दैट मीन्स व्हाट दे हैव डन, दे हैव डिवाइडेड इट, है ना. उन्होंने क्या किया, उसे डिवाइड किया है. फाइन, चलो लेट अस राइट द स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट बिकॉज इट इज अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, वन मोर थिंग, मैनी का दिया, 1 का पूछा, दिस आई हैव टोल्ड यू, है ना. मैनी का दिया है, 1 का पूछा, दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डिवाइड. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ apples equals to 3,875. Apple packed in 1 box equals to, or each box equals to 3,875 divided by 5. Now divide and tell me the answer. Do the division and tell me the answer. Completed? Okay, let us do the division. Three, 8, 7, 5, 5. चलो डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, 3,875, 3 7 जा 35, 8 minus 5 3, carry down 7. Again 37 is there, so कितनी बार लेके जाएंगे, 3 7 जा, है ना, सॉरी 5 7 जा, -2. 5 के टेबल में 25, you will get 5 times 5 5s are 25. Okay, so answer is 775 apples were packed in each boxes. Answer is what? 775 apples were packed in each box. Okay, now note it down, then we will move toward the next question. Just note it down. Okay. Fine, moving toward the next question. So this is how we solved what? This is how we solved word problems. है ना? Word problem based on division. So moving toward the next question. Next question is what? Okay. Chalo. Next question is 728 tins of fruit juice are to be packed in carton of carton of 2 tins each. How many cartons are needed? How many cartons are needed? मतलब क्या? 728 टिन्स ऑफ फ्रूट जूस थे, उन्हें पैक करना था, ऐसे पैक करना था कि एक कार्टन में 2 टिन्स आए. ठीक है, तो कितने टिन्स की, कितने कार्टन्स की जरूरत थी? फाइन, लेट अस सॉल्व. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, it is a simple question of division. So total number of tins to be packed or number of cartons needed. Seven 728 divided by 2. Now let us divide. 728 divided by 2. कैसे करेंगे? कितने कितने टाइम ले जाएंगे? Do the division. 2 3s are 6, 1 2, 2 6s are 12, cross cross, and then we will carry down 8, 4 ja. So 364 cartons are needed. Okay, so this is it about the topic. ठीक है, word problem. We will do some more question in the next class. So this is it for today. Note down this question, and now I will meet you in the next class, and soon we will start our topic, that is pattern. ठीक है, after completion of the revision of the division, we will start our topic, that is what? That is pattern. Okay, that is our next chapter that we have to do. Okay, so study well, and fine, we will meet in our next class.